I work for Adferiad on the Cyffwrdd Cymru project, which is helping people with mental health and or substance use issues get back into work, education or training. I completed the Level 3 Advice and Guidance. That's enabled me to help my clients better, give me more information on how I can best support them. Left school, I didn't really have many qualifications. I think I was the only one of my friends that didn't go to university. So being able to do my Level 3 and 4 has really helped. I would tell somebody who's thinking about starting an apprenticeship to go for it. It's a great opportunity to earn while you learn. The best thing about doing an apprenticeship is being able to learn skills to benefit me in my job. I've always probably lacked in confidence coming from school. Doing an apprenticeship has boosted me. I'm doing things that I wouldn't normally do, talking in front of people that I wouldn't normally talk in front of. Adferiad have been really helpful in my apprenticeship. They've given me time aside from my caseload to focus on my coursework. Louise, my assessor, has also been fantastic. I think at the start of my apprenticeship I wasn't forthcoming with my work, so she had to give me a bit of a push, but yeah, we got it done. Difficulties I've overcome. I've always lacked in confidence and suffered quite a bit with anxiety in the past. My apprenticeship has given me the boost so that I am capable of things that I didn't think I would be able to do, and given me qualifications that's going to help me in the future and hopefully lead to management roles.